You're into real estate, managing hundreds of property deals in Cloze. But those hundreds of calls you make with buyers, sellers, and agents every day remain scattered without CrispCall, hurting to close those deals on time. But with Cloze integration in CrispCall, every contact and phone interaction syncs within CRM, saving time to track each of them manually and even make calls and send SMS within Cloze. Here's how to connect CrispCall and Cloze step by step. Sign up and log in to your CrispCall account. Go to Settings, navigate to Integrations, search for Cloze and click Connect. Now, to get the API key that's needed in the pop-up, head over to your Cloze account. Click on the three dots in the left panel, then go to Settings. Under Accounts and Services, copy the key from API Access. Head back to CrispCall, enter the details, and click Connect Now. Once the integration is successful, customize its settings as you require. In General Settings, enable or disable sync preferences for contacts and notes. Then, in Workflow Settings, select specific call and SMS log options to be synced in Cloze. And in Connected Numbers, add one or more numbers for calls and SMS to be used in the integration. After it's done, start by creating contacts in CrispCall. Create them one by one or import them in bulk using a CSV. Now head over to your Cloze account. All the contacts created are in sync under My People, without duplication. Now, in no time, reach out to your buyers and sellers in no time. But first, install the CrispCall dialer extension on your browser to make calls and send SMS inside Cloze. Then, beside a number, click on the CrispCall icon and simply choose the call option. As the dialer opens, talk to them without leaving the CRM. During calls, even add notes to remember the key details in the conversation. And the notes sync along with call logs and their recordings under specific contacts within Cloze. Next, sending SMS follows the same process. After clicking on the CrispCall icon, select the SMS option. Then, in the dialer, type your message and hit Send. And the logs for sent and received SMS, along with the messages, sync immediately under Contacts in My People. Also, the missed calls won't hurt your real estate deals, because the voicemail recordings sync as links in the call logs. Just listen to it and follow up immediately to make sure the deal closes in time. Manage your real estate calls effortlessly with CrispCall and Cloze integration. Make property deals close faster, shaping contextful conversations with buyers and sellers within the CRM. Visit crispcall.com and integrate Cloze CRM today.